Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show or display product dimension in cart page or checkout page using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page. Now you see product name, back to product. Now you see dimension. So we are going to display dimension in cart page and checkout page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet. And then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down. You can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type drop down. Select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to display dimension in cart page and checkout pages. Now scroll down. You see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page. Now you see dimension. Now go to cart page. Refresh the page. Now you see dimension in cart page. Now go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now scroll down. You see your order and then you see product. Then you see dimension in checkout page by using custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.